Here is a close look at this scat mat. As you can see, I already went ahead and put a bunch of pieces all over this couch that I want to keep my cat off of, and they work very well, very easy to do. Here are all the different pieces. And as you can see, I've got a few extra right over here that I didn't need to use, so they can stack very well. And here is just a closer look. It's just this plastic, very, very sturdy. The tops are about, like the spikes, they're about 1 inch tall. They are kind of pointy, but they're not sharp, so they're enough to detract pets, cats, dogs, even birds from wanting to sit on any couches or surfaces or counters. But obviously they won't hurt your animal, so that is a very good thing to know. And we've got these little pieces right here, so like they could technically connect, but one thing I noticed when putting them on is that they don't really connect. Like it looks like they should connect like little jigsaw pieces, and you can kind of put them in, but they slide apart. So just keep that in mind. They don't necessarily connect. You'll kind of just lay them out as you need. I think it's kind of more for aesthetic purposes and kind of helps you just stick them together so that they're flush but won't necessarily connect. So just keep that in mind. They definitely have kept my cat from coming onto this couch, which is good because I was kind of sick of all these little white cat furs getting all over it. One last thing I will note about it is that this can be used both indoors and outdoors. The one concern, however, is that they are kind of lightweight. So if you are using them outdoors, like with patio furniture or something, there is a chance that the wind will carry them. So keep that in mind. I personally would prefer these as indoor products. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice there. I would prefer these as indoor products. You can use them outside. Just be careful if you live in a windier area, or if it's just a windy day, you might want to take them off and store them inside in the meantime. And again, they're very easy to just remove as needed once you want to actually use your couch, and then they'll just nicely stack right on top of each other, and then you can store them away between uses. Super, super simple, and overall, this is a product that I would highly recommend if you want to keep your furniture, your counters free from your pets.